This is huge. The lion's mane mushroom may be the first smart mushroom. Lion's mane mushrooms contain novel neuroglial stimulant factors that regenerate myelin on the axons of nerves, and demyelination leads to neuropathies. MS, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's in particular. Demyelination co-occurs with amyloid plaque formation, interfering with the transmission of the nerve signals on the outer sheath of the axons. Dr. Kawajishi gets credit for this. I have no idea how he discovered it, but he isolated that this nerve growth stimulant factor called aranesins, named after the mushroom Hericium aranaceus, and hericinins, are some of the most potent nerve growth stimulant factors ever seen and ever discovered. So I think this is the first, smart mushroom. And the tragedy of our elders, at the end of their life, they have encyclopedic knowledge, but they lose so much of it. So this is a mushroom that I personally take on a daily basis. I don't know if I'm smarter or not. We have an aging population across the planet. And so dementia, neuropathies, Alzheimer's, this is a plague that is sweeping the population that's going to stress the medical system. So everything we can do to help prevent these neuropathies I think are really important.